Hey everybody, it's Jeff with Blizzard. So this isn't quite a chairlift chat. This is more like a bus trailer chat. We're sitting on the bus trailer here.
Yeah.
And I'm sitting here with Dan, who's
I'm
an instructor this year. And Dan, how did you get into Blizzard?
Well, I got into Blizzard as a little kid. I used to ride the bus from Kenwood, and it was awesome. And then I moved to a new house, and in this new house had a neighbor. And the neighbor was a kid named Jeff. I said, Jeff, come to Blizzard. And guess which Jeff it was? This one.
Guess how I got into Blizzard?
Exactly.
Well, Dan moved in next door with his sister Emily, and they did this awesome program called Blizzard, and they got to go skiing every single weekend. And my parents said, we should sign our kids up for that too. And here I am. That's how I got into Blizzard.
That's right. And then many years later, Jeff got me into Blizzard as an instructor. So here we are. And it's awesome.
Circle of life. We hope to see you on the slopes. Bye-bye.